Yeah, like,
You want a turkey sandwich?
yeah, Mario, I got my camera.
Huh? Smile like on your camera?
Yeah. Mario, like your camera.
Are you smiling? Smile.
Hey.
I don't see you smiling. What is that? Oh, did that come off your glasses?
No,
No, where'd it come from?
from Chef Puppy.
From the glasses?
From my house.
Oh, from your hair clip? You gonna put your glasses on?
Yeah,
They're upside down.
turn it this way.
There you go.
99 can see. There's a cloud.
Yeah. Lots of clouds today, huh? Don't really need your sunglasses when it's clouds. They look
Yeah.
fancy though.
There's clouds.
You fold them? You gonna put them in your backpack?
Yeah. Kiss. That's warm.
Huh?
Kiss that warm.
In case you want them?
Yeah.
What else is in your backpack?
Like blueberry.
Blueberries?
Yeah.
Jamberry. Jamberry book?
Yeah. It's a blue canary.
Where?
Right there.
How'd you get an owie?
It was from my glasses.
Oh, did it pinch you?
Yeah.
It'll be alright.
Silly. You've been silly.
Who's being silly?
I do.
You are?
And you do.
Who?
I do.